So Frying Pan is a park that you can come to in Fairfax County where it's a running, working farm. We have real animals here that you can pet, that you can see. We actually produce milk, we produce eggs, we produce actual farm products. It's a massive 135-acre park, so there's something for everybody. There's trails, there's a museum, there's farm life, it's outdoors, it's a chance to get out of the house and learn a little bit about where your food comes from, what it's like to be on a farm.
Why do cows moo?
So when we were over there with Helene and Florence, they were mooing that loudly. I talked to the farmers after we left. They wanted food really badly. This was the time for them to eat, and they hadn't gotten fed yet. So most of the time it's because they're looking for food.
Probably the greatest thing is to come back often. Farm animals change so quickly that it's amazing to see that 2-pound baby pig, and then you come back in 60 days, it already weighs 20 pounds. You know, within 1 year, that pig will weigh 400 pounds. You know, it's just a good kind of like science experiment, but in real life.
Goats are the best animals, guys. They're basically just like dogs.